Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the MADFUT 2024 on your device. No jailbreak or computer needed, which gives you unlimited money. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane, guys. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this on your device. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So let's get right into the video. This is so insane, bro. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what you want to do is go to this site called ZooMods, which has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in. So ZooMods, so once you're on the site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in MADFUT 2024. Then as you can see, it says MADFUT 24 mod. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to go ahead, try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super insane, guys. That fully works version. So yeah, if you need a mod, be sure to try us out. So yeah, all you have to do, guys, is go over to the App Store to see how bad it is. So let me show you guys right here. As you can see, if I just type in MADFUT 24. You can see right here it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, then you gotta go ZooMods. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane and it actually works. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and get the word out. It's super cool. It's fully working, guys. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. See you later. But yeah, it's just super awesome. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. See you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. It fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it's updated and everything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is so cool. And yeah, it's updated and everything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.